Good day friends, I want to show you how you can create a bootable disk for your Windows 10 operating system. The first thing is to download your Windows 10 ISO. So the one I have here has all the versions of Windows 10. And the next thing is to download this software. This software is called Rufus 4.4, and so just download that, and when you open to it, so you will have your bootable drive that is higher than the size of your image, operating system image. For example, you can see from here that the Windows 10 we have here is 5 point something, so your flash drive should be higher than that. So once you open to the Rufus, so what you do is to select, first thing is to select your ISO software, the image software that you want to use. And once you've selected that, the next thing, waiting for it to get ready. Okay, I don't have my flash inserted, but once your flash is inserted, all this will come on. Then of course you can do the formatting, and you click on start. The system will automatically detect your flash, and you click on start, the flash will be formatted and the operating system will be installed. So once you have your bootable disk, you can now go to your laptop and set your boot option to boot from flash drive. Once that is done, the system will boot, and of course the operating system will install. If you are not using that bootable disk anymore, sometimes to use it for your conventional work may not be right, may not be easy, so you need to recover that flash. You need to reformat that flash to the format that you can use it. So one option I've seen is to, depending on where the flash is used, like I had this flash that I was using between systems, and I also connected to my printer and of course my photo printer. So what I noticed was that in between system, because I formatted it with NTFS, the system could see you still see the partitions and you can still share. But when I plug it to my printer, I noticed it was complaining that the flash is not recognized. So I knew that has to do with the file format. So I now had to use disk management to reformat the flash using the FAT partition system. So the FAT file system enable the flash drive to of course communicate with other devices apart from the computer system.